is Adeni Yadewale Shaks, known as Pampiede, a multilinguist, a language facilitator, a part-time Yoruba and linguistics lecturer, a creative writer, a composer, and a performing poet, Akewi. Observing extinction is threatening my people's poem and encomium, Ewila Noriki, which might bring about the total extinction. How to salvage these two symbols of Yoruba identity, Ewila Noriki, was what ignited the goal of bridging the old word and the new. Creating a style that will draw attentions and interest of the new generations to Yoruba Ewil Anoriki, like falcons to bacon. Same Ewil Anoriki with a premium distinctive style as we incorporated a maximum 8 instruments: 4 modern, saxophone, electric drum set, guitar, organ, 4 traditional, talking drum, bata drums, omele, and shekere. Professionally, for years, I released my debut album titled Oyela, Morning Has Broken, 4 years ago. My poetic passion has fully illuminated my poetic epiphany, which has intoxicated me like the fine old wine. I'm currently working on my second premium poetic song album titled Ejigbede, The Twins, which will be released in April. I'll be sharing with us some tracks from the album on this social medium and other in due time. Promoting some of the tracks on radio stations or minimum 8 across 7 Yoruba states in Western Nigeria as well. A mammoth thank you for your support, assistance, love, advice, and your encouragement. I am grateful and thankful for everything, as I'm indebted to you. As we will say in my language Yoruba, Eniyan lasho mi, Jesirion, c'est pas vous. Pampiede is nothing without you. Thank you.